You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Good morning. Today is Friday, June 26, 2026, and we are looking at the pre-market setup as we head toward the 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time opening bell. Overnight, global markets faced a severe wave of selling, starting with a steep rout in Asian tech stocks that is setting a challenging backdrop for the U.S. session. Japan's Nikkei index plunged 4.4% to close near 68,784, hit hard by profit-taking in AI and semiconductor shares. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng index dropped 1.76% to 22,672, with Hang Seng futures down 1.69% after the close. Meanwhile, South Korea's Kospi index experienced extreme volatility, plunging as much as 9% intraday before finishing down roughly 6%. This weakness has carried over into European trading, signaling a broad international risk-off sentiment. Pre-market proxy exchange-traded funds confirm the pressure, with the Japan proxy down 1.06% and the China proxy down 1.80%. This global pullback has directly impacted U.S. stock futures this morning. S&P 500 futures are pointing to a weaker open, down 0.41% since yesterday's cash close. Tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 futures are under heavier pressure, down 1.0%, while Dow futures remain essentially flat, down just 0.02%. This pre-market weakness comes despite a positive finish on Thursday, where verified closing data showed major U.S. indices in the green, led by a 0.81% gain in the Nasdaq 100. The big story yesterday was a massive divergence in tech. Micron Technology delivered blockbuster earnings, driving its stock up 15.74% and triggering a spectacular semiconductor rally. SanDisk surged nearly 22% in sympathy. However, pre-market trading shows investors are quickly locking in profits. This morning, both Micron and SanDisk are giving back a significant portion of those gains, falling more than 5% each. Adding to tech sector concerns, Apple fell 6.12% yesterday to close at $275.15. The sell-off came after the company announced price hikes of up to 20% on some products due to rising memory chip costs. In merger news, ON Semiconductor announced a $7 billion all-stock deal to acquire Synaptics, which sent ON Semiconductor shares down nearly 10% in extended hours. As we look to the open, all eyes will be on whether semiconductor stocks can find their footing after yesterday's massive run. In commodities, gold is catching a safe haven bid, up over 0.5% in pre-market, while oil is pulling back sharply, down 4.14%. That's your pre-market briefing from Seven Horns AI. Good luck out there today. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more.